Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the Juvia'splace liquid lipstick. This is the Empress Lip Collection by Juvia's. It's a matte and a metallic shade in one. They've got an amazing shade range, like about 14 shades. I'm just going to jump right into the specs of this. So this is what the packaging looks like. This claims to be a creamy, moisturizing one. It says it's smooth and it's got like a buttery formula. And in this package, there's two in it. It's got like a matte shade and a metallic one. I really love the packaging. This retails for £22. It's got 14 shade range. This is in the shade Moral. This is in the shade Madame. Just opens up like so. I just love the way it looks. Really, really nice. And I like the way it opens up. The detail here is just beautiful. I just have to open it. This is the metallic and this is the matte. The one I've got on is the Madame, the matte one. A dream to apply. Like, it just feels nice and it's not drying. It's not drying at all. It dries down really lovely. I just love the feel of this lipstick. These are £22 for two, so you get the matte and you get the metallic, so you get two for £22. So we're looking at £11 or so for one. It's just so lovely. I like the feel. It says it's creamy, it's buttery, it's moisturizing. It certainly is. I've just used one coat, so I didn't double it up, just one, and it covered up. So the pigment is a high pigment. It's really pigmented. I really love this. I've had lots of liquid lipsticks, but this, I just love the feel. It's really buttery. It's smooth on the skin, on the lips, and it's just nice. It's actually moisturizing. Other liquid lipstick that I've got are quite drying, but this is comfortable on the lips. I'm just gonna try it like so and see. Small bit, but I don't think it doesn't transfer. Just a tiny bit, so I think it will be long wearing, but it doesn't feel dry at all. This is amazing for a liquid lipstick. This is how it comes. It just has a nice bottle, like a glass thing. The names are just on at the bottom of it here, and this is the applicator. This is what it looks like. Very nice applicator. Top. It's got like a nice design on there. Love the colors, but most of all, I love the finish. It's smooth. It's not drying. Just with one coat, I'm getting loads of pigment. Some other liquid lipstick, I need to apply it twice to really get the color to show up. I love this lipstick. I love the way it applies. I love the feel. Most of all, I just love the feel. It's lovely. It's moisturizing. It's not sticky. It's dried down, but it's not dried. You get what I mean? It's not drying on my lip. My lip doesn't feel like parched and tasty and dry. Really easy to apply. I just love the way it just applied like a dream. It doesn't transfer. Just a tiny bit. I can see a tiny bit, but not a lot. A tiny bit. I don't know if you can see it. It's not a lot. It's just like, you can see the line of the lipstick, but not that much at all. It's easy to apply, moisturizing on the lips. It definitely is buttery on the lips. The metallic shade in Madame. Madame in metallic. It's dried down now and it looks beautiful. Almost the same thing, but there's just a slight vamp to it. Metallic one, I'll blot it to see if it's as good as the other one. Oh, this is better actually. It doesn't to say it, but this is actually better than the first one. Doesn't transfer. Used a bit of olive oil to take it out because it just won't go out, so it's really long wearing. With Moral in matte. It's not drying. one coat and I got this color in full force. So this is it, no transfer whatsoever. This is Moro in metallic. You see the difference between the matte and the metallic? It just has a nice shine, like a foil effect on it. And it's quick drying as well, so it gives you time, just enough time to blend, then it dries up nicely. So in terms of my final view on this, guys, I love them. They are moisturizing, they are smooth, they are buttery, they don't transfer. I just love the formula, especially the colors. The pigment is super pigmented, amazing, and it's moisturizing. It's not as drying as liquid lipstick I'm used to, so that's really a plus. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a like if you did. If you're new, please subscribe. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.